Welcome to Psycho Autos. Have you ever noticed your car heater only works when you press the gas? Like when you're stopped, it blows cold. But the moment you accelerate, it suddenly gets warm. You're sitting there freezing at a red light, rubbing your hands together, wondering what's wrong. And then boom, heat comes back as soon as you start moving. If that's happening in your car, don't ignore it because this is not normal behavior. It's actually a sign that something inside your cooling system isn't working properly. To understand this, you need to know one simple thing: your car heater doesn't create heat on its own. It uses heat from your engine. Inside your engine, coolant absorbs heat and carries it through a small radiator called the heater core, and that's what warms the air inside your cabin. But here's where the problem starts. At low engine speeds, like when you're idling, the coolant doesn't flow very strongly through the system. So if there's already a weakness in the system, that slow flow isn't enough to push hot coolant into the heater core, which means no heat for you. Now when you press the gas, your engine speeds up, and suddenly coolant starts flowing faster and with more pressure. That extra flow forces hot coolant through the heater core, and just like that, your heater starts working again. So what's actually causing this? The number one reason is low coolant level, and this is more common than you might think. When coolant is low, it can't properly circulate through the entire system, especially at idle, so your heater core doesn't get the heat it needs. Another possible issue is air trapped inside the cooling system. These air pockets can block the flow of coolant, almost like a bubble stopping liquid in a pipe. You could also be dealing with a weak water pump. It might still work at higher speeds, but struggle to circulate coolant when the engine is running slowly. And in some cases, a clogged heater core or a stuck thermostat can reduce or completely block the heat reaching your cabin. The good news is, you can start with simple checks. Look at your coolant level, inspect for leaks, and make sure the system doesn't have trapped air. Because if you ignore this problem, it won't just leave you cold, it can turn into a much bigger and more expensive repair down the road.